Hi. Oh, are you smelling me? Are you smelling me? Oh, wow. Hey. Well, good morning, everyone. It is so nice to see you today. I would love to stay here and tell you all stories, but I have to go to work. I have to go to work. Okay? We're going to say bye, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, we'll see you tomorrow. Oh, you're just so cute. Aren't you just the cutest little cow? Oh my goodness. What about you? Okay, what's your name? You probably don't have names. But you know what? If you lived with me, what should I call you?